Thank you very much for tuning into this live stream. Here I'm talking about the LRI, the Israelite versus the Palestinian, the war between the Israel and Palestine. This is one of the longest war that has ever existed in the world. It happens today, it stays for some time, then it happens. It came as a result of unprovoked attack by the Hamas on Israel of recent, which has seen counter-reaction from Israel. Israel is now pounding the Hamas, crushing buildings down. So the question here is, what is the determining factor on how the rest of the world will respond to the side they will support or the side they will take? We start with North America. Obviously, North America most like to support Israel due to the influence of the United States of America. And if you go to Europe, also United Kingdom will also support Israel. Then, if we look at Africa, things are going to be mixed up in Africa. In Africa, you realize countries will now pledge their support depending on how they relate with United Kingdom or America, with some other influence from Russia and China as well. So if a country is good relating with UK and America, then that country is most likely to support Israel, whether verbally, mentally, or even physically. And also, those countries that will support the Hamas or the Palestine will be the countries who are the enemies, the United Kingdom or the United States of America. That is exactly the determining factor of how the world will respond to this. Even the rest of other world, if we look at USA, UK, and Africa, we exclude them out. If we go to the rest of the Middle East, China, Russia, you will also realize that two factors will determine the relationship of each and every country or continent with UK or the US. Thank you very much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one if you subscribe. Bye bye.